Hey readers, welcome to the start of our new unit, 5th grade reading unit 3. This is argument and advocacy, where we're going to be researching debatable issues. So I have a favorite TV show that I like to watch at night, and in this TV show, a journalist brings up important issues that are going on in the world. I always end the show with new ideas and new perspectives about the world around me. And honestly, it's a really cool feeling to become informed and involved in our world. One of my hopes for you is for you to become an active citizen. So that's being able to talk about what's going on around us, but actually know what is happening around us. So talking about things that you know, you become informed. As an active citizen, you get to think about things for yourself and you get to make decisions for yourself. So reading and listening to nonfiction can help us do this. Today, we're going to start a new reading unit with some complex worldly topics. We're going to get into research groups to research some complex, controversial, and pressing issues. So in doing this, we're going to be reading to make sense of an issue. We're going to be looking at different perspectives of this, trying to really inform ourselves and educate ourselves on the topic that we choose. And this is about the pieces that you agree with and you disagree with. It's important to know all sides of the story. So it's not going to be necessarily about what we read, it's going to be how we read and how we figure out what the author is saying, how to analyze the author's argument, things like that. You're also going to find articles where the author maybe doesn't do a good job at sharing his or her argument. So today I want to teach you that a good argument has reasons to support it and evidence to back those reasons. When you analyze an argument, it helps to ask, what is the claim being made? What reasons support that claim? What's the evidence to support those reasons? So let's take a look at the anchor chart that we're going to be using throughout this. You can see it located on the board to the side here. So some questions that readers can ask to analyze arguments. This is really going to anchor us throughout this unit. We can ask, what is the claim being made? What reasons are given to support that claim? And what's the evidence to support those reasons? So now, I have a box here. I think you've all seen this before. It's trying to persuade us of something. So let's pause and talk about what claim might be made right now. What are they trying to persuade us of? So we're going to do a quick sticky high five. Go ahead and pause the video. So we've all shared some great ideas in our conversations with our partners about what this advertisement is really trying to do. They want this box to stand out to us. They want us to purchase this box and consume their product. So they're making sure that their product is standing out to us. So, in a similar fashion to what we just did, we're going to look at some more advertisements. They could be more products to buy, it could be articles to read, but we're going to do a gallery walk. So around the room are 5 different displays. It could be, again, an article, it could be an advertisement, a product. You're going to have a couple minutes at each. Within your group, as you are looking at the chart, your job is to discuss what you see. What is the claim? What is the evidence to support that claim? What are they trying to get us to do? Go ahead and pause the video. Fabulous gallery walk. Taking a look at those different posters. So there's a motive behind all of them. There's a purpose for the writing, a purpose for the advertisement. They're trying to persuade us of something. So at this point, you are going to do your independent reading. Come back to the video at the end. But before we get into that independent reading, let's do a quick share out of those gallery walks using a sticky high five. So some questions we're going to talk about in our sticky high five is, what was the claim you saw being made? Did any of the texts provide more than one side of the issue? What evidence was there to support the claims or the reasons?